The X-45 unmanned combat aircraft was a joint conceptual demonstration program proposed by DARPA and the U.S. Air Force. It aimed to validate the feasibility of unmanned combat aircraft technology and address global contingencies. The X-45 offered advantages such as low observability, ease of maintenance, and efficient mission execution. The X-45 drone featured a swept-wing configuration, a blended central fuselage, and retractable landing gear. Boeing received an experimental contract in 1999 and began production of two X-45A technology demonstrator aircraft. The first X-45A successfully flew in May 2002. It had a flying wing structure, undisclosed design features, and retractable landing gear. Following the cancellation of the subsequent variant, the X-45B, in 2003, Boeing focused its efforts on the larger and enhanced X-45C. The X-45C underwent upgrades to increase fuel payload capacity and triple the operational range compared to the X-45A. The most noticeable difference between the X-45C and X-45A was the extension of the leading edge of the wings to the nose, increasing wing area and resembling the B-2 Spirit bomber. The design of the X-45 unmanned combat aircraft eliminated traditional cockpit and pilot life support systems, significantly reducing costs. The aircraft could be remotely operated by ground-based pilots or fly autonomously using onboard computers. The X-45A was used to test the feasibility of using unmanned aircraft for suppression of enemy air defenses and possessed limited air-to-ground and air-to-air capabilities. Initial bombing tests demonstrated the X-45A's ability to accurately strike ground targets. The X-45A also underwent simulated patrol missions and attack simulations against simulated threats. The onboard computer of the unmanned aircraft could autonomously determine the most suitable unmanned aircraft for executing attack missions and change course to engage targets upon command. These tests demonstrated the X-45's capabilities for autonomous operations, resource management, and target detection and engagement. The X-45C was planned to receive $767 million in funding in 2004 for the production of 3 prototype aircraft and testing of related functionalities. It was equipped with an F404 turbofan engine, and the development of automated aerial refueling technology was planned. However, in 2006, the U.S. Air Force terminated the X-45's development program, and Boeing repurposed its prototypes to participate in the U.S. Navy's carrier-based unmanned aircraft program. The X-45 Newtons was a model developed by Boeing for participation in the Unmanned Combat Air System demonstration program. However, Northrop Grumman's X-47B won the U.S. Navy's development contract, leading to the termination of the X-45 Newtons program. Nevertheless, Boeing successfully installed the automatic landing and takeoff software developed for the X-45 Newtons on an F/A-18F aircraft and used it to test the automatic landing capability, laying the foundation for carrier-based unmanned aircraft operations. In conclusion, the X-45 unmanned combat aircraft, as an advanced unmanned combat aircraft, demonstrated its technical feasibility through various tests and demonstrations. The project achieved significant milestones during its development and contributed to the advancement of unmanned aircraft technology. Although the project was ultimately cancelled, it provided valuable lessons and insights for subsequent unmanned aircraft projects and technological research.